I think by now everyone should be very much familiar what is this cloud application. An application that runs in the cloud is called as a cloud application. What is cloud backup? So it says cloud backup is the process of backing up to a remote cloud-based server. So when we talked about disaster recovery, right? So since they also have the physical location and physical setup at some data center, and in a very similar way, they are also managing the DR instances in multiple different geographies. So that's where you will see that each and every company have their data center at multiple locations. So to talk about it quickly, how the data centers look like, I was creating my this account yesterday on Oracle Cloud. So as you can see that they also take your region, and basis on the region, so you can see that this list is coming about Australia, Southeast, India West, and Japan Central. To be able to choose your nearest data center, and when you go into this, you can also define like what regions you are choosing for data DR site, or making it load balanced kind of scenario. So cloud backup is when you want to make this cloud backup distributed across different regions and geographies, and that is very essential when the kind of use case that you are working with. If it is healthcare data, so you had certain compliance that you need to make that data available for last 7 years. Similarly, in finance in India, if you talk about, you need to maintain at least last 3 years of data. So if you're going from like architecture, cloud architect perspective, so these are some of the important concerns that may be raised while reviewing your design. Now cloud computing. So cloud computing, we briefly talked about it and some of the service model.